Is it still nighttime? Oops. Is it just me or just placing soul sound make like a sexy sound? Is it my ears? Are my ears just being weird? Wait, I need to go in a more quiet place. It makes this sound when I place the... Wait. It sort of does, doesn't it? Is it just me? Let me turn off my BGM real quick. Okay. Yeah, even when I break it. Right? I hear it. Is that the soul? Soul being like, "Oh, you're breaking me." Is the soul screaming or something? I hear it. I hear it loud and clear. Okay.